from Aliexpress. You can find a very cheap PCB boards or models. So I'm searching for Hall sensor Arduino model. Let's be this one. It's a linear magnetic Hall sensor board switch speed counting Hall sensor model. It's 42 cents, the cheapest one on AliExpress. Okay, and next model that I will show you, and the second model is tilt switch or ball switch. You can find it like this one for around 45 cents, and it's a angle sensor model, ball switch, tilt sensor model. Both of these Arduino based models will work without Arduino, and I'm gonna show you later. I got them. One of them is, as I said, Hall sensor, magnetic sensor, and the second one is tilt switch or angle switch for Arduino. But these models work without Arduino, and I'm gonna show you simple examples of how to use them. About the Hall sensor. What does a Hall sensor detect? Hall effect sensors are used for detecting and measuring proximity, position, and speed through their ability to sense magnetic fields, which is good. And the tilt switch, it's a tilt switch. It's a simple model. Here it is the Hall sensor. It has one LED for indicating that it's detecting magnetic field and 3 pins: ground, positive input, and output sensor. Now I'm gonna connect this one to ground. Positive. Output will be for a buzzer in this experiment. So ground from the buzzer go to the model, and positive from the buzzer and positive wire from the model goes together. Okay, I'm gonna connect them together, and negative on this wire. Come on, all right. Nothing happens. Why? Because I need a magnet so I can activate it. The wire came out. Okay. And look. It detects the magnetic field. This can be used in many projects, and it's useful. Just letting you know, it detects only the one pole of the magnet. Look, when I'm spinning, nothing, and here detecting the pole. We have north and south pole side of the magnet. Working great. I'm using ordinary active buzzer, and the whole circuit is working on 5 volts. The negative wire from the buzzer go on output sensor model. The positive go to the positive power supply, and the negative is directly connected to the model. That's it. Simple. The wires are disconnecting all the time. Okay, you can see it's not working, but I'm gonna turn on this side the beeper sound on. This is the sensor switch. Inside there is a small ball making contact. When you turn it on the side, the LED is on. This way not working, it's off. When you turn on the side, the ball making the contact and the piezo is beeping. With these models you can make interesting projects and without using Arduino. That was my point in this video, to show you examples without using Arduino board. And these are pretty cheap, both of them for $1. Alright, I hope you liked today's video demonstration. If so, please give a like, share and subscribe to my channel. See ya!